I'm Ebony North for Investment Pitch Media. Thanks for joining us today. Avino Silver and Gold Mines has announced drill results from the Oxide Tailings Project that sits within its tailings storage facility number 1 on the Avino property. Avino, primarily a silver producer from its 99.28% owned historic Avino Mine near Durango, Mexico, also maintains a diversified pipeline of gold, silver, and base metals exploration properties. The 2022 drill program included 17 drill holes for a total of 209 meters, which followed up on the 110 holes totaling 3,645 meters drilled in 2021 and released on April 7th. Previous drilling in 2015 and 2016 was used for the 2016 NI 43-101 preliminary economic assessment, which is available on SEDAR. The current drill holes were added to step out from the current known footprint of the historic Oxide Tailings deposit to capture the total tailings resource. A comprehensive sampling program is underway to collect samples for an upcoming metallurgical testing program. Once completed and assuming results are positive, the existing PEA will be used as the framework for an updated study with the intention of advancing the project to pre-feasibility study level. The current drill results are shown in this table. David Wolfen, President and CEO, stated, "These results highlight the continuity of the tailings grade beyond the previous known deposition footprint. The gold grade in the oxide portion of the recent holes is encouraging, and given the distance of the step-out holes, we feel this will provide meaningful resource expansion significantly beyond what was described in the previous PEA. The Oxide Tailings Project factors prominently into the company's growth strategy to achieve intermediate producer status." Over Avino's 54-year history, the mine has operated for various periods of time and as such generated different types of tailings. 3 distinct zones of oxide tailings identified corresponding to the timeline of extraction from the previous historic operations. The historic oxides are tailings that were generated prior to the 1980s from the open-pit mine on Avino's property and are not included in the current drill program. The recent oxides consist of tailings from the processing operation from the 1980s until the late 1990s. Finally, the sulfide tailings are the recent tailings from when the operation recommenced in 2011. The tailings were drilled with a 2-inch sonic drill, which was drilled to the depth of the underlying bedrock, which is sloped so that the depth of each hole can vary significantly depending on the drill hole location. The oxide tailings is located to the southwest of the Avino Mine and Mill and is the current tailings facility for the Avino Mill. Avino is advancing its dry stack tailings project, and when complete will decommission the current tailings pond, potentially opening this area to development and reprocessing. Earlier this month, the company reported record revenues and mine operating income for the first quarter, with $11.1 million in revenues, $4.7 million in mine operating income, with earnings per share of 1 cent and operating cash flow and adjusted earnings per share of 3 cents. The shares are trading at 86 cents on the Toronto Stock Exchange. For more information, please visit the company's website at avino.com. Contact Jennifer North, Manager, Investor Relations at 604-682-3701 or by email at ir@avino.com. I'm Ebony North for Investment Pitch Media.